Let's play Redactle for Monday, August 8th. We have a single word title with 4 letters in some 14-letter area of expertise. 4 is 6 in 8. 2 are from a 13-6. By 10-5, then 13-4 are 8 of 6. And then 2-letter abbreviation, 10, 9, and 8. So I'm thinking this is going to be something scientific. We have something or something in italics, a long heading there. Through, the word through appears a lot here. Just scanning quickly to see the lay of the land. Yeah, we have something less than or greater than, per, more italics. That's interesting. There again, we have a single character not in italics followed by one in italics. Quite a long article. If something is one or if it's something else. Yeah, this, looks like we have some scientific paper here. Bullet list, maybe another paper, no, maybe not. Okay, minus again. Yeah, so this looks very scientific. Okay, let's go back up to the top. I presume the 2-letter abbreviation is IE, so let's do the E first. Oh no, EG. Okay. We do have 13 E's though, more than we have the G's. So there's an IE. We have 4 I's, so there's a bit of a mismatch there. Let's look at our I's. IE, IE. Okay, then there's somebody's initials. This must be the references. So, oh, that is a long reference section. Yeah. Something of something. Okay. Let's look back at our eyes. Okay. So what is this 14 letter? I presume a branch of science, maybe mathematics, astrophysics. No, that's not long enough. I do see an apostrophe S there, so let's fill that in. Like 13, 4, 4, 8, 8, the 12 of a 6. As long as the, no, as well as the 6, 6. And so, oh yeah, and so is not a something of the 6, 5, 6 at 11 to 6 in the 6's 8, 6. Well, let's try some particle physics. Let's try particle. 2 particles. Okay. by particle. Let's try physics. 8 physicists. Down in our reference section. Anything up at the top? No, not mentioned right at the top. Let's try astrophysics. Oh. Electron, proton, no. Atom, atomic, no. Okay, maybe we're not down here with the particle physics. Okay. 5 is a 8 of the 6, 5. This is, yes, is not derived from the 8, 8, 5 of, the word 4 as a 8 of a 6 in 6. Is it the sense of the word? No, there are some senses. 5 senses, that's appropriate. Of the word, and then a 4 letters as a 8 of a 6 in 6. Oh, I wonder, original? No, I thought it might be from the original something of the word. But let's look at our 2 originals. Oh, okay. Down in the references, let's look at our senses. We're going to come to our senses. The 10 of 4, 8, 4, not 7, 4, the 7, 2. In one sense, no, we do have a lot of ones. The something of, does not, does not include. No, we do have some includes. The something, what's that 2-letter word? The something, do, go, be. Oh, be, the something. In any sense. Oh, there we go. In any sense. Either. I'm trying to make sense, any sense of this sentence. The 10 of 4, 8 does not 7, 4, the 7b in any sense 6. For 7, a 4 of 9, 3, 8, 4, 2a something. Beat to a pulp, no, a something of thing. Has, had, was, not redacted. It's, no, it's good to get some of these words out. All right. Let's look at our ones. Of the other, from a something of one to a something of another, between the 5 and the 10, 6. Between the point, no, we do have 3 points. 9 to the point of 4, 7 by 4, Point of 4 from the something point of time. No, we do have 6 times. Oh, but cannot or may not. There we go. May not do so at what time is that? 10 maybe consider, oh no, erd is 10 letters. We do have 10 occurrences. Maybe something not imagined, maybe conceived as the 8, 7 of 10 and 5, 4. 4, 5 into a 5 by 9 to 8. It's energy. Oh, no, that's ridiculous. Conserve. No. Generate. No, but let's, oh my goodness, 111 energies. Do we have it up in the top? There we go. In something, something is energy in motion or in something to or from a 13.6 by 10 other than 13.4 or 8 of 6, e.g. 10, 9, and 8. So what is another word for energy? Like 13, 4. As well as the something. All right, let's try some other energy words. Well, let's try other forms of generate. Oops, if I could type. Generated. Generator. No, let's look at our 3 generateds. By which, yes, by which something energy in a, not vacuum, is it? No. Oh, is it nuclear energy? No, by which something energy. The 10 of 4, 8, 9 considered, and 6 of 10, 11 and 8, 11, comma. 6 with 8, 7, 7, by which is generated R9, R11, 2, 7, 6. Not destroyed. No, generated are expended. No, are 11. 8, the 10 of, let's try this. Oh, I already did this. How about these? Those, they, there. Okay. In these 13 circumstances, I believe is 13. Yes. If 9, 8, 7, 4, 2, 8, by, no, that would not be redacted. Where's that 2-letter word? 8 of 6 is 10, and 5, 3, another 2-letter word, and then 5-7. Thus, No, we do have 10 thuses. Not easy for me to say. So we are talking about energy. Just wondering if the word plasma is involved. Two plasmas. Down in the something. In something. Oh, I wonder if it's the podcast with Melvin Bragg. Well, the program, but I listened to it as a podcast. Thanks to Chris for pointing me to it in our time at the BBC. And it's a good show. They talk about a completely different topic each week with some experts. Um, Plasma something at 111. Okay, so not really very helpful. And then, ooh, something in a plasma can then, no, we do have some thens. Anyway, it seems like plasma is very minor in this context. Within the 4, at which 7, and a something at which 7, 6, a 6 to 9, causes a something to something at which okay, not really getting that. Okay, what's some other words? Generated. Okay, in a something of energy as 4, which I think is our word, without 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 7 of 7 in 4, the 12 which 4, 4, and the 6 which holds it. No. The 8, okay, and this is one of our letter that is not italicized followed by italicized S, the something. So is it 1S, 2S, 3S, or maybe it's a letter like X, or P for power, E, well, we've done E. Let's try U, see if US is mentioned. Oh, no, we have subscript. I wonder if that's a word that begins with U. Is it a constant? No, we do have some constants. If something is a constant, oh, there's our P, and if P is constant, with the something, oh my goodness, maybe considered to be a function. Yes, F, no, of its 7, 9, S, and P. Well, this is all fascinating stuff, but not really getting me any closer. So we're looking for some word that is energy in, well, I'm going to try flux, causes a something flux of something energy. Trying to think back to my limited knowledge. So I knew there was potential energy, but what's the other kind of energy? Such as 8 of 8 potential, which 6, 8 of 6, and 8 of 8 potential, which 6, 8, 7, and 13. Such 7, 7, 8 with something flux of something energy. I did causes, right? So let's do caused. No, no caused. Formed. No. How about released? Two released. 6, 4 is the 4 released are, no, not emitted by a 8, 9 or a 13, 6 during a 6 of 5, 4, 6 without a 6 in something. Well, let's try fusion and fission. No, no fusion and no fission. Okay. 4, 8. 4, 8 is a 10, 8. 5 to the 5 of the 4. Oh no, I'm mumbling. Not a good sign. The 8, 5 of 9, 5, such as 6. I think I've done the has and the had words, right? Yeah, has, had, was. Have I done was? Not was. Well, let's try was. Oh, I guess I did it already. Oh, no, it's not redacted. That's the thing. Oh, but were is redacted, right? Which is strange. To the point. So this is the thing we were looking at earlier. Before the something something. Not invention or discovery. But let's do discovery. No, let's do history. Is there a history of this scientific thing? History. As a 6, 4, 7, 4 are 6. No, that's not such as, but 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, etc. 6, 2, the 5, 10 of either 7 energy or 11. Hmm. 11 on 7 energy are 4. As a 8, 4 of 6 has a long history. 3, 7 yet. No. 10 and 4. 9, 7. The 6, 13 of 7 energy 10 with eights 4, 10, 6 of 4. Is it good old Albert Einstein? No. Who else might have talked about energy? Boyle? No. Newton? No. And something something concerning the origin? No. Of the 4, which is something by 8. Oh my goodness. And illustrated? No, surely not. No. An investigation? No, too many letters. A something between 7, 6 sorry, 7, 7, and 4, 6. So I presume that's a joint effort between two people. Well, let's try good old John. No, we do have John down below. John 7's 4 considered as part? No, considered as 4 of 6. And then I suppose the year that was published was 12, and 12 was instrumental. Yes, instrumental in 12, the 4 of 4 as 6 to the 7-8, 6. From an early time, the 69474 was, oh my goodness, was known as, known is usually a good word, but not here. By the way, I used to start with first, so let's get that out of the way. The primary, no. Let's do discovered. No. By 6, 8 in some year. 8, 9 it with the 6, 8, and then 10. Something as, is he the father of? No. 557 in his book. No, in his work. We do have a lot of works, all right. In his something, 6 of 4, 8. 6 of 4, I think. And then published. No, we do have one published. Okay. In some year, someone published a paper entitled, yes, the 1010 of 4, in which he suggested, no, proposed, causes a something flux of something energy, a 7-4 in the 13-4, something be proposed as, in something of work, does not cause, I don't think I've done cause on its own. Oh, there is one. Causes a volatile or something flux of some kind of energy, a 7-4 for 8 of energy as 4. In this maybe circumstance singular, yes, it may be 8, 4, 4, 5, may then, may something be 6, other something, other effects. Well, we do have effects down below. Such effects, something with that flux of, so this kind of energy, 6 by 11, 8, and such 12, 3, known as something effects. Such, what's that three-letter word? Such 12, are known as. Okay, and such things are known as such apparitions, such something or other. If these effects take, no, we do have three takes, to take place at constant 11/8, since 4/9 here looks like there's some diagrams that are missing. If a 8/1 of 4 is 5 to a 4/5, it does 4/9 work something on its something one has. If this is something to 6 at constant velocity, no, at constant something, i.e. with something p equals p, or equals something, the something work done by the 4 is given by something equals p something something. 9, the first 3 of 14, the first term, or the first something. 12/12 one has in this scenario. Yes, the 8 in 8 is 5 to the 8 of 4, 5 to the 6. Power, have we done power? No, I haven't done power. Okay, 11 on the something power of. Maybe that's observation. No. How about a treatise? They were always writing their treatises. Is that how you pronounce that? And 8, treatise on 8/9. And then somebody, oh no, that's probably the reference number, maybe. The 10 of 5, treatise on something by A, and then he has a very short, or she has a very short last name. First 7/7, first edition, first English edition. Let's look at our Englishes. Has something to the English dash American. No, English dash something 6. Was 5 as 10 to the English 4, and maybe the French. We do have French. How about German? Yes, and German 5. So here we're talking about the etymology, I presume. This might be useful if I can work it out. It might help me work out the title. From an early time, the French 9, 4, and then 7 in italics. 4/6 was not known. We've done known. Was something as 10 to the English. Oh, it was equivalent. Yes. Was taken as equivalent. Yes, to the English something and the German 5. then we have 3, 6, being, no, the equivalent of 4, 5, be German. Could be, would be, yes. Let's put in should just for grins. What's the 3-letter? Presumably a language, maybe GER. No, 6. Oh no, so it's not going to be German, but 5. Something the equivalent of blank would be German blank. Oh, since? No, I guess since isn't redacted. Somebody blanked it with the German 8, 10, 10 as 6 of 4. So not combined it, that's only 8 letters. Smushed it. 5, 5, 7 in his 4. So it's not book or paper in his tome. No, in his, we've done work, right? Yeah. How about works? No. In his, oh my goodness. Something. Blank of blank. Gave? No. It is 9, which would maybe something from one form. No, we do have form as an 11 form of the 8. 3 of 4 as an 11 form of that of 8 of energy. Oh my goodness. Let's try gas and air. No, we do have some gases. Okay, so this is a quote from somebody after the something of 11. The next 5, 7, 4 in the 5 of 4 was the 10 of a 4, which is called the 8 of 4 after the 11 of 7, 6. Did I do introduction? Well, let me try it. No, we do have 2 introductions though. After the 11 of 7, 6, it 5, 7 to 9, this 4, 8, 7, the 8 of 4 in 5 of a 6, 9, 3, 4 to the 8 of gas something. Gas heating, gas generation, gas something. 12.4 is based on the work of 12 and then 4, 9 to 9 and a 6, 6. A 8, 10 of 4. The something energy UX, okay, so we have that of a 4 in an 9, 5x can be calculated. No. It can be something by 7 of work, 39 by the 4 on its 12.4. Such work is, yeah, so work is very important in this article. Energy and work. Oh, let's do joule. Well, let's do joule first. Because, yes, such as joule is a unit of energy, right? Is the joule J. As an 6 of energy being 11, the 2, 4, so the unit of 4. So I would have thought that was the unit of energy. Oh, the, what do they call that? The CI unit? No, oh my goodness, I should know that 2-letter abbreviation for the international organization that's standardized. Um, oh my goodness, well, let's look at our joules, such as joule 7.3 as a form of energy. This, and is this the title of the article? This 4-letter word has the unit joule in the 13.6 of 5, and then that's that 2-letter again. So international system, oops, this, system of units. Yeah, okay. Oh, SI units, that's it. SI units, System International. However, our daily however, in maybe in some year, 7.6 in 11, the 7.7 unit, and the something are 5.4. The 8 unit for the 4 of 4, 11, is the 4. Something is 1 joule per second. So what would that be? Not the watt. Oh, it is the watt, W. Not calculated as 1 joule per second, but something. For the 4 of 4, 11, electricity, oh, electricity, no electricities there, that's interesting. The something unit. As a form of energy, this has the unit joule. However, in something else, it's given a different unit. Is it just in some other countries, or is it in some other context, i.e. not a form of energy? The 6.1 for the 5.6 of energy 11 as 4 was 4 by 6.8 in 3 the 6 of 4, which something be 8 during the 10 of the gas, okay, from any given point, from any given state to another, in which it's something is that, and it's something, we call this is by definition No, we do have 27 definitions. 6, not 11, but in, oh my goodness. As something by its effect on the 6 of 11, 6. For instance, no, that's too long. That's 8 letters. For, oh, example, of course. For example, 12 in 7 circumstances. In special, 12 in special circumstances, 4, 8 can be released. No, by the 6 of 3, 6, or by 6 and 11 of a 4 and the 12. Such somethings are called something else. I did want to go back to Jewel, though, to see if they mention the guy it's named after. Not that I can remember his first name. Okay, so here we do have Jewel published a paper entitled The Something Equivalent of 4, in which he something a 9, 5 for the 6 of 10, work 8, 2, something a unit of 4. What is this 4-letter word? Something to do with energy. Oh, well, how about volt? Oh my, is it going to be volt? No, 0 matches. I got very excited there. Let's look at amp as well. No, ampere. No. Trying to think what else we might have. Well, let's try voltage. Come on, there has to be. No? Okay. So Joule published a paper entitled The 10 Equivalent 4, in which he proposed, no, outlined, suggested we've done a 9, 5 for the something of 10, work 8 to the 6 of 9, 14, 7 in the something to something. John somebody's 4 considered as 4 of 6, and then at the year, was instrumental in introducing, no, is instrumental in popularizing, popularizing, oh, yeah, popularizing, unless it's with a Z. Yeah, so that's not fair that they're using the American spelling. Was instrumental in popularizing the idea of 4 as 6 to the English speaking. English speaking, is it worlds? No, world is, we haven't tried that yet. The English speaking people. No, the English speaking 6. The 6 was 9 in 8, 12 in French. Oh, the something was translated, maybe? No, we do have down below. The 6 was something in 8, 12 in French, English, and German from an early time. The French something for 7, 4 by 6. Term, yes. The French Language is 8 letters. The French scientific, no, that's too long. The French something term 7, 4 by 6. Used by somebody was taken as equivalent to the English 4 and the German 5. And then we have 3 in parentheses. Oh yeah, that was this other language, I think. Something 6, 5, the equivalent where. No, I've done that. Something the equivalent of 4 would be German. Oh, and I tried since, right? Yeah. So who's this John 7 guy? And then there's somebody with a 6-letter name. Oh, how about conservation of energy? 2 conservations. Okay. Of the law. The 8 of 4 being 8 by 11. So here are 2 of our laws and our 2 conservation. So we have 11 fours. One of them laws. Well, we do have 2 laws. Before the publication. Yeah, let's try it. No. Of the laws of something, 4 was 8 by 7 in the 6 of the 13, 6. 4, 7, 5 with 9, 10 can be 6 and 7. Oh my goodness. A something at a constant 6, 9. The 8 at 6 on its merry way. 5, 7 at a constant 8, 9. It's something. 4 can take, no, can something in a plasma. Let's just try neon, nitrogen. No. What other gases? Methane. No. Try oil. No. Let's look at our laws. The second law of thermodynamics. Okay. Something thermodynamics. 4 and 7. In 4, 6, 8, 9 to 6, 7, in which 9 of 6 do not 5. 7, the second 11, 7. Oh, is that in some language? So I think the in 4 is in some year, and then I think 6, 8 might be the person's name, and then maybe 9 to 6, 7, like coming to some place or something in which 9 of 6 do not exist. No, we do have 7 exists. In the 10(6) of 4 thermodynamics. If 1, no, I did that already. If U, no. If any, I think I did, yeah. If all, no, we have 8 of them. Without something, any other 9, 6, can 8, 7, one another be called equivalent? Then the 11 of the 8 of 4 from work at the thing has the 11-5. In some other year, he went to, no, he something to attend. No, he's 4 to 6 by S. Oh, he continued in his work, as was due to the something of that. In a something of energy as something without work being done, 5 or 7 of 7 and 4, the 12, blah, blah, blah. Oh my goodness. All right, we're coming up close to an hour, so I think I'm going to admit defeat on this one. In thermodynamics, oh, sir, I didn't notice we had added that at the very beginning. Something is energy in transit or in motion in something to or from a something system by something other than something work are 8 of 6, e.g. 10, 9, and 8. Yeah, I'm just not getting that. If you've seen my videos before, you know I do not enjoy the scientific ones like this. Yeah, I'm not sure what 13 work is. Thermo something? No. All right, folks, I'm going to throw in the towel, pause, and Google this. Okay, well, I'm a little bashful. This 4-letter word is a very common word. It's not going to be something very scientific, but the definition is very scientific here, this specific meaning. In thermodynamics, heat is the word we were looking for. It took me an hour, 191 guesses, and I still didn't get it without Googling. Looks like folks got it in an average of 51 guesses. So there we go. Heat is energy in transfer to or from a thermodynamic system. I guess maybe I should have tried thermodynamic singular. By mechanisms other than thermodynamic work or transfer of matter. Yeah, that is very specific. Maybe I could have thought of energy and that it gives off heat, but anyway, that was a very disappointing redactal for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.